$115,000 is what you can realistically generate within 12 months by structuring a residential cleaning company the exact way a top operator in Texas showed me last month. So before we break down the operational blueprint, you need to understand that the real money isn't in scrubbing toilets. It is in mastering the data-backed pricing algorithm that most amateurs completely ignore. Now, if you want to make your business profitable from day one, you must exactly follow this execution strategy, which relies on optimized routing and fixed minimum booking fees. The setup and plan requires a legal filing fee of $85 for NLUC, along with $350 for general liability insurance policy protecting up to $2 million. Okay, your initial investment is strictly capped at $680, which means your return on investment timeline is incredibly short, often achieved within your first 14 days of operation. I used to think that you needed a massive marketing budget to scale, but sitting with the data for a second, I realized that 40% of your initial client acquisition comes from free digital listings. Let us walk through a real-world scenario where you charge a flat rate of $180 for a standard 3-bedroom house, which takes exactly 3 hours to complete. That breaks down to $60 per hour in gross revenue, and since your solo operating costs are practically zero, your net profit margin hovers safely at 85%. To scale this to a weekly routine, you need 5 recurring clients, which yields $900 every single week, or $46,800 annually from just 5 houses. Now, to secure these high-paying clients, you need a highly specific set of industrial-grade tools, chemical solutions, and structural hardware to ensure maximum efficiency. You must acquire a commercial vacuum with a high-efficiency particulate air filter, 3 heavy-duty plastic caddies, and 24 premium microfiber towels split by color for cross-contamination. Then you need 2 extendable duster poles, 4 gallons of concentrated neutral floor cleaner, 3 bottles of degrazer, and 2 professional glass cleaning concentrates. To simplify your setup, all of these exact required products are conveniently tagged in the video in one comprehensive list, so you can have these identical tools added to your cart right now. Once your equipment is ready, you initiate the execution phase by targeting dual-income suburban households making over $90,000 annually, which represents the highest converting demographic. Here is the technical secret I promised earlier. You never price by the hour when talking to a client. You always quote by the square footage to protect your earnings as you get faster. If you charge hourly, you are essentially punishing yourself for being efficient, whereas flat rate square foot pricing raises your effective hourly wage to over $75 over time. By your 6th month, you transition from solo operator to an agency model by hiring 2 independent contractors at $25 per hour, while you maintain $35 per hour's profit. With 2 workers completing 4 houses a day, your daily gross revenue touches $720, leaving you with $280 of daily passive cash flow. This operational velocity pushes your yearly income to $115,000, leaving you with a clean net profit of $97,000 after minor administrative expenses. The math proves that this business model is incredibly resilient because the recurring contract rate in the United States of America sits at an impressive 82%. To start building this asset right now, your very first action step today is to register your business name on your local Secretary of State website. Next, you will set up a free business profile on Google and Nextdoor to instantly visible to homeowners within a 5-mile radius of your zip code. After that, you should order your cleaning kit directly from the tagged product list below to ensure you have the exact commercial tools required for a premium service. Finally, you will print 50 flyers with a clear introductory offer of 15% off the first deep clean, and distribute them to your target local neighborhood. Executing these 4 precise steps this week guarantees you will bypass the noise and build a highly predictable, high-margin cash-flowing enterprise.